Hey, everybody. How are you doing? It is Daniel WIAFE of Vegas Divorce Pros. And let me take this mask off because I can barely talk with this mask on, all right? Just came from the bank and I want to do a quick live video, all right? So before we get into this live video, we are going to talk about getting a divorce if you have adopted kids, okay? As always, you guys, and this is my day off, so this is my day off gear, but even though I'm not in the office today, I'm always working, always typically working on marketing, okay? Now, if you guys are needing a divorce, an annulment, a legal separation, I want you to go to the link that is above or below this video, and it's going to be lasvegasdivorce.co. The link is going to be there. If you're typing it into your browser, it's vegasdivorcepros.com. We do give out free 15-minute phone consultations, okay? So you can discuss the aspects of your case and see if we can help you, okay? And as always, you guys, we are not attorneys. We are licensed document preparers that can prepare your divorce papers and get it filed in the courthouse, but we can't give you legal advice, okay? That being said, you guys, let's answer this question, okay? This is actually a question that we had about 22 calls come in so far today. It's about 3:54 p.m. and typically we're getting about 20 to 30 calls, okay? And this prospect was a woman, and she stated that she has been married to her husband for 30 plus years. They have two children. Two of the children are adopted, okay? And they're teenagers. Okay. And the couple, the man and the woman, are seeking a divorce. Okay. So the question is, can you do it? And how does child support and visitation and custody work in that aspect? Okay. Because as you guys know, and if you don't know, when you're getting a divorce in the state of Nevada, you guys, you can pretty much do whatever you want in regards to dividing up your property, your assets, your debts, and all that. Okay, that's pretty much whatever you guys want to do. Okay, but when it comes to the kids, that's a whole different story. Okay, so many times we get people that come into our office and they're like, oh, hey, well, I want him to pay me, $0 child support. We have 8 kids together and he's not going to have any visitation whatsoever. And I'm like, no, that's not going to happen. I mean, I can put it in there, but when the judge sees that, he or she is going to be like, because at the end of the day, you guys, the judges do not give a damn what any of you guys think or want when it comes to the kids. All the judge is looking for is to make sure that the welfare of the kids is being looked after. That's first and foremost to the judges, okay? And so there's certain calculations and there's certain formulas and there's certain things which criteria which you need to meet in order to make sure that the judge approves of your divorce, okay? So in regards to visitation, you need to have a set schedule in most cases if the kids are younger. Custody, you need to state for the legal custody, you need to state what the legal custody is going to be. You need to state what the physical custody is going to be, okay? Who's going to have physical custody of the kids most of the time, if you're doing joint custody, all of that, okay? Child support, there's a certain calculation based on wages, which needs to be calculated. And if you're not going to use the state mandated child supports, then you need to put down your request to deviate from that amount in a way which the judge is going to approve, okay? All this can be a hot mess if you don't know what you're doing, okay? And that's what we at Vegas Divorce Pros help our clients with every single day. Isn't it funny that I'm talking about Vegas Divorce Pros and I got a hat that says Miami on top of my head? Okay? Crazy, huh? But anyways, that's besides the point. All right, so in regards to adopted kids, you guys, this is the way it boils down to, okay? So either both parents have legally adopted the kids, or just one of the parents has adopted the kids or kid. Okay, right? Now, let's talk about both two scenarios. Let's talk about if both two parents have legally adopted the kids. All right. If that's the case and that's the scenario, then what is going to happen, you guys and ladies, is that you need to address visitation, you need to address child support, you need to address child custody. Okay, who's going to claim the kids on taxes? Who's going to get the kids on holidays? You need to do all of that on your divorce papers. Okay, that needs to be addressed. Okay, now, if only one of the parents has custody, has legally adopted the kids, okay, then you don't need to address that. Okay, why? Because the other parent does not have legal custody or physical custody of the kids, so it's not to be addressed. Okay, so you're going to do a divorce, no kids. Okay, because the two parties don't have the kids in both of their custodies, if that makes sense. Okay, so hopefully this makes sense. As you guys can see, there is a plethora of information that you have to go through when you're getting a divorce, especially if you have a divorce and you have minor kids, okay? So anyways, if you are needing a 15-minute free consultation, make sure you go to our website that's above my finger or below my finger. Just click on the link and then we'll be glad to help you. Make sure you share this video with somebody that needs it. Everybody needs it during COVID time. Peace and God bless you guys. My name is Daniel WIAFE, Vegas Divorce Pros. Love you. Happy holidays to all of y'all.